Yesterday, another offer was presented to Vista for their ammunition companies that has that sale that was already, that I already reported on last month, in question. I want to tell you all more about it because the future ammo picture depends on this to be smooth one way or another. Before I jump into it, I want to thank the sponsor of the video, CMMG. Guys and gals, CMMG is an American company in Boonville, Missouri, and they make the things that we love. Check them out. You know how to get to their website, but use code GNG10 and save 10% off your entire order. Yes, all the things. And if you buy a tool that goes to the Freedom Seed range and sends seeds, then you also get a mystery box. A free mystery box will be sent to you with all kinds of goodies inside of it. I don't know what's inside of it because it's a mystery. That's part of the fun. It's GNG10 over at CMMG. Thanks for being phenomenal folks and friends and stalwart defenders of the Second Amendment. Yes, the owner has put his own money into a lawsuit against pistol braces. So good on them. All right. Also, a fresh restock on this has arrived at TriStar Trading. The watch list. It's not going to last long. T-shirts and hoodies, and there's a handful of these whoobies left. Links are down below for each one. All right, so let's get into this ammo thing. I want to refresh your memory about the sale that I reported on last month, the one that's kind of in question at the moment. Here on the screen, just as a quick reminder, it says Vista Outdoor, parent company of 41 renowned brands that design, manufacture, and market sporting and outdoor products to consumers around the globe, announced a definitive agreement to sell its sporting products business to Czechoslovak Group, which is also called CSG, on October 1st. The value of the all-cash transaction is $1.91 billion and includes ownership transfer of some of the industry's biggest names in ammunition, including Federal, CCI, Remington Ammo, Speer, and Heavy Shot. That included everything, including the factories where they make these things that we need so much. Look, if you're a business owner, smart purchase, right? Because this is something that will always be in demand. It's like business 101s. What do you want to buy? A business that will always be needed, like a laundromat, right? There'll always be a need for, or ATMs or vending machines, something that's a perpetual income generator. That's a trade secret. You don't even have to pay me for that. That has been the plan, right? It's been like what has been expected, and it wasn't going to be finalized until the board actually gave an actual vote and approved the sale. Well, that hasn't happened yet. And since that hasn't happened, somebody else stepped up to make a bid to buy all those ammo companies. This was announced yesterday. Colt CZ Group makes $1.74 billion unsolicited offer to acquire Vista Outdoor. Check it out. Firearms manufacturer Colt CZ Group has thrown a curveball into the proposed merger plans of US-based Vista Outdoor with Czech industrial technology company Czechoslovak Group, or CSG. Colt has made an unsolicited offer valued at $1.74 billion, seeking to thwart Vista's planned merger with CSG. The proposed cash and stock merger by Colt would value Vista Outdoor at $30 per share. This unexpected move by Colt comes in response to Vista's deal with CSG announced in October, which involved merging Vista's sporting products business with CSG in an all-cash deal valuing in at $1.9 billion on an enterprise value basis. Vista Outdoor, known for its sporting and outdoor goods, including brands like Remington, disclosed that its board of directors has not yet made a decision on Colt's offer and affirmed its commitment to the previously agreed upon deal with CSG. The board stated that it will meticulously review Colt's proposal and act in the best interest of its shareholders. Meanwhile, Colt contends that its offer is superior, asserting that it can recapture the value lost by Vista over the past 18 months since the announcement of plans to spin off its outdoor product segment. Colt emphasized concerns that the remaining outdoor product segment of Vista post-spinoff would be suboptimal as a standalone product company, exposing it to substantial risks. The unexpected bidding war injects uncertainty into Vista Outdoor's strategic direction and highlights the competitive dynamics within the firearms and outdoor goods industry. As both Vista Outdoors and Colt await the board's decision, shareholders and industry observers will be closely monitoring how this unsolicited offer may reshape the landscape of the proposed mergers and the future structure of Vista Outdoor. So I guess try to steal the business, right? Try to steal the deal. The one thing that is like Colt CZ Group is also based in Czechoslovakia. So either way, if these two deals are the only two being considered by the board, and it appears that they are, these American ammunition manufacturers and factories and plants will be sold to Czechoslovakian owners. Does that mean things will change? No, because this is something that basically printing money. Ammunition companies, each round that they make, they're printing money, and that is a need that will never go away. Once the firearm was introduced and invented, the need for a cartridge, the need for a round, has only increased exponentially as time has gone on. Guys, what do you think about this? I know I would love for an American billionaire, I wish, man, if I could win the Powerball, if it was like $2 billion, and that was my take after taxes, because you know the tax man cometh, I would buy these companies. I would keep them here in America, because you're only going to make money with owning these ammo companies. I wish they would stay in America. What do you think down below? Let me know, guys and gals. As I drink my coffee right here, we have extended our Cyber Monday deal. It's going to be Cyber Week. So you can put 3 products into your cart, and we're going to give you one free. Buy 2, get 1 free. The code is right down below on the screen. The link is blackoutcoffee.com/GNG. Buy some and save. Works on everything except for 5-pound bags, obviously, and subscriptions. But you want some bag coffee? Buy 2, get 1 free. You want some K-Cups? Buy 2, get 1 free. Appreciate y'all. Have a phenomenal day. I'll be back this afternoon. Until we see each other, be safe, stay vigilant, and carry a gun to keep you, your friends, your family, your community safe. I appreciate each and every single one of you. Subscribe to the channel if you want to stay in the know. See you on the next one. Take care.